I work in Nissan Digital Hub as a cybersecurity lead. So this training, I would say, workshop, though it is remote, actually actively involved with exercises on the team. So it is in going back to basics, trying to understand in terms of the process and the planning which is required to run in detection and response, and more emphasis on practical case studies. So it's been a good learning. So I would recommend this for any of the cybersecurity practitioners who would like to consider it as a career. Thanks for the good training. Thank you.